back to my channel. It's your girl Juta and I'm back again with another video. Before you guys attack me in the comments, I know it's been a very long time since I posted, but there's a reason for that and I am slowly coming back. So moving on to this particular video. In this video I'll be showing you guys how I laid my wig. I did find a few tips and tricks on YouTube that I incorporated into this install that made this install amazing. So this is the unit. It's from Adorè Hair on Instagram. I did cut the wig to make it shorter, and I also did cut the combs out of it. So I did go ahead and cut out the combs from this wig because they usually just disturb me and I don't like it. So this unit came bleached and styled. I've actually worn this wig before. I wore it last week and I decided to take it off and wear it again and film a video for you guys. So here I'm just bleaching the wig with my foundation just to make sure that it matches my skin tone really well. I really like this wig. I like the length, I like the density, the lace is amazing as you guys can see. So go follow Adorè Hair on Instagram and patronize their products. This video is plain. I will just be chatting with you guys a little bit and be giving guys a little update as I walk you guys through this install. So first of all, I did relax my natural hair. I am planning on making a video about that because I have posted natural hair videos on my channel before and I feel like it's only right to tell you guys that I am no longer part of the natural hair community. I mean, there's nothing wrong with having natural hair, but as I said, I will most likely make a video telling you guys why I relaxed my hair. Also in this video, you guys will see me looking at my camera a lot because my phone has been messing up. That is one of the main reasons why I haven't been able to record or put out a video, because Apple is playing with me. So right now I am just using the hot comb to just lay back all the flyaways so that when I go ahead to glue, right now I am spraying down this glue spray thingy right in front of my hairline. That is one mistake that I realized that I was doing. I used to glue my wigs too far away from my hairline and it would be looking like I'm wearing, I don't know. But you want to glue it right in front of your hairline. And also, if your wig is already cut like mine, you want to glue it from the middle. You want to start gluing it at the middle before you glue the side and sides. I personally used to start gluing my wigs from the side, but it's actually better to start from the middle, you guys. Also, you can see that I am using a different type of glue to lay my wig today instead of got2b. You guys, this is the best glue for laying your wigs. Like, can you see how quick it's drying? Can you see how it's not running all over my forehead? It's staying in place as soon as you dry it. It's literally the best glue on the market. Like, it's the best. I am putting you guys on. I will show you guys how it looks a little bit later in the video. So if you want to know which glue I'm using today, stay tuned. So I actually have a tip for laying your wigs. As you can see, I am using my rat tail comb to press the lace into my skin. You don't want to use your finger for this step. Whenever you use your finger like makes the glue really sticky and it just makes it like, it just doesn't look nice. So you don't want to use your finger. I did use my finger at a point, but you don't want to do that. Please do not use your fingers. And I also made a mistake here. I didn't let the glue dry a bit before using the comb, so you can see it's leaving a white cast, but that's okay, that's fine. A white cast will form, but we will get rid of that in a few minutes, okay? So you want to make sure that you are pressing the lace into your skin with the back of your comb or with the tail part of your comb. As I said, ignore the white cast. White cast will form, but you can get rid of that later with a towel and water. It will go off like really quickly, so it's really nothing to worry about. So right now I'm just using water and a towel to just clean the white cast that was left off from the glue. You can see how quickly it's going away. It doesn't take time. Just make sure you're not using too much energy when you're doing this so you don't lift your lace. Now this is the glue. It's called Bed Head. Compared to Got2b free spray, it's more expensive, but for the quality you get and for the hold you get, it's really worth the $20. Like, if you have that $20, you should invest in Bed Head when you are installing your lace. So you guys, you heard this from me. So make sure you follow my channel, you follow my Instagram, because I'm giving you guys the real tea. So okay? Just go ahead and tie that hair down. Tie it down. Make sure that you tied it really well. So this is how the spray looks, guys. It's the bomb. Like, it's the bomb. So as my wig is being melted with this band, like I mentioned, I have worn this wig before, and Adorè Hair wigs come already styled, already bleached. So there was a middle part, and I actually do like the middle part. So I am just going to go ahead and recreate that middle part and make sure that my wig is looking good. So now I'm just using my wax stick. If you have watched any other wig install tutorials on my channel or on my Instagram, you know I always use a wax stick to make sure my hair is looking flat, it's looking laid, it's looking good. Yeah, that's what we're doing. And if you are a beginner who wants to start installing wigs just like me, make sure you invest in a hot comb. A hot comb is a need. Can you see the difference between the side that has been laid and the side that has not been? Oh, okay, right now I'm using both. I've done both, but you can see the difference that a hot comb makes. You really need a hot comb to make sure that the wig is looking really good. So you guys, as I mentioned earlier, my phone has been playing with me. That's one of the reasons why I haven't posted. I did do my baby hairs. I was recording. I don't know what happened. But my phone didn't catch that, and I had already laid my baby hair, so I apologize for that. But this is how the wig is looking so far. with a few baby hairs that I struggled to make because I'm not really good at making baby hairs. But here is me trying to bump this wig. Can you see that? Can you see how it's bumping? Yes. Okay, that one didn't bump well. But yeah, it was a struggle bumping this wig. It was a struggle styling it, but it ended up looking good in the end. So yeah, let's just keep watching. Okay, keep watching.